Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the focus magnifier on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the focus section, so this purple section right here. Then scroll down to the focus assistant tab. And here we're going to select focus magnifier, so press that. And here, sorry, I have to return, but if you have, here you have this view of your camera, so you can select where the focus magnifier goes. So it's pretty sensitive. If you move your camera, it's going to just turn off this option setup, so you have to keep the camera pretty still and just select where you want your camera to magnify. So this little box is what the view will magnify to. So just select where you want that to be magnified, but if you want to return it to the center, you just press the trash can icon. It keeps resetting. You press the trash can button and then just apply it. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.